Hello guys! Kumusta na kayo? It's been like 6 years na ata since nag-vlog ako last when I was still in New Brunswick sa Moncton. And I hope kung sino man yung nag-subscribe sa akin in day 1, I hope you are still here. Then wow, it took like 6 years for me to update ko ano na nangyari sa amin ni Mrs. So for now, we are now living in Alberta, Canada. Lumipat kami ng March 2023 after 3.5 years living in New Brunswick. So pakilala ko sa iyo yung mga member namin. This is my dog Maddie. Hi man! And our other dog, si Abby. Yeah, maingay sila ngayon. So yes, we moved to Edmonton, Alberta. So it's not an easy decision kasi nga we are living 3.5 years in Moncton. But we just think na hindi namin gusto namin ng mas brighter future. So my wife is working 2 jobs at a time sa Moncton, puro part-time, while I'm also doing 2 jobs, part-time sa hotel, then managing yung Dairy Queen nga. Then nakapagpasyahan namin that it's time to move on. So ang binigay namin is 3.5 years, so we were thankful for my employer, lahat ng tumulong namin sa Moncton. And we just decided that it's time for us to move on. So yun nga, nag-move kami ng Edmonton. Then we're so happy that we have a lot of friends living in Edmonton. So pagdating namin ng Edmonton, nakitira muna kami for like 4 months sa kaibigan namin until we purchase our first home. So yung home namin is just a townhome, 3 bedrooms. Then 1 bedroom sa basement. Tour ko kayo mamaya sa bahay namin. We just bought it at a very reasonable price. Actually, it's a fixer-upper home. So nung nag-move kami, kasi may kakilala nga kami dito sa Edmonton. So ang ginawa namin, we move our things little by little. So we send boxes sa kakilala namin. Then yung sasakyan namin, we transported it using third party, no? Parang MBIS yata 'yun, yung motor vehicle transportation. So from New Brunswick going to Edmonton, Alberta. So pinatransport namin. So we were blessed lang na when we arrived in Edmonton, may trabaho na agad si Missy sa eye center. Then ako wala, but nakakita naman ng trabaho. I started working in a hotel, then sa Lube City, then finally landing a full-time job in Renaissance Hotel. Then, since nasa airport siya, I meet friends para makakuha ako ng job sa WestJet. WestJet is a very good job, medyo stressful lang at times, especially when it comes to cancellations and delays. So, lahat ng mga irate guest talagang mamimit mo. Then si Mrs., she decided to go to school. So ang course na kinuha niya is Payroll and Accounting. That's for 1 year. Then after she graduated, nakuha niya yung dream job niya, which is sa Garda World. Then yun nga, office administrator handling Saskatchewan and Regina region. Then ngayon, she is now head ng Payroll and Accounting sa Manitoba, and I'm so happy for her. So, living in Edmonton is parang ang ganda talaga. Bigger city, but the problem is, yun nga, bigger city, madaming opportunities, but the problem is madami ding competition. So we're happy here, we feel at home, nakakapagsinulog pa kami dito. Then madaming Asian store, malalaki yung Asian store, talagang hindi namin pinagsisihan na nag-move kami dito. So far, yes, we have a house. Then, yung sasakyan namin is dalawa na, which is a burden when it comes to paying. But, nagagamit naman ni Mrs. since si Mrs. is working sa Edmonton West. Yeah, medyo 40 minutes ang biyahe niya from here. Sa akin naman, we are living in Leduc, so parang 10 minutes drive lang going to the airport. So yeah, I'll be detailed to you sa next vlog ko. Gusto ko lang malaman nyo na we are okay. And hopefully, kung sino may yung sumuporta, andyan pa rin kayo. And thank you, thank you. Thank you na hindi kayo bumitaw. Okay? Salamat and see you on my next vlog. And don't forget to follow our Instagram account, our food and travel adventure. Please follow po. Andun yung mga travel namin tsaka yung food adventure namin ni Mrs. sa Edmonton. Thank you and see you next vlog.